New tax deductions. This no tax on overtime and no tax on tips are temporary. They are set to expire in 2028, of course, because that's when Trump's presidency ends, right? So deductions that reduce your taxable income. They do not eliminate payroll taxes for Social Security and Medicare. So you still will be paying payroll taxes for Social Security and Medicare. But people who make tips up to $12,000, so no tax on overtime. So if you have a job and you are working overtime, you all may also want to start finding out from your employers to have a separate paycheck for that, or to determine and show that it's actually overtime pay. I don't know. I haven't worked the corporate job in 12 years, so I don't know if y'all jobs do that now or not. But if they don't, and if you are in a job where you get overtime, no tax on overtime up to $12,500. If you are joint filers, like a husband and a wife, and you file together, then your no tax on overtime is $25,000. But one of the things that they are going to be looking at to verify this is the paperwork. So make sure that you all, your businesses, but also your employers, make sure that they are able to separate to show that you worked overtime. If your average week is a 40-hour week, you need to have some type of viable paperwork, because if they ever want to audit you, all right, I'm in taxes, this is my lane. If they ever want to audit you, this is how they do it. Because how many people do you think gonna try to lie on their taxes and say that they got overtime and this is what it is? So everything is always about the paperwork. What can you prove? All right. So this is something that you all need to be verifying with your employers. Key detail: only applies to premium portion of overtime pay required by the Fair Labor Standards Act, FLSA. The half in time and a half, basically. So all of y'all that get that time and a half, this is what that applies to. All right. So I want to say, I know back in the day, time and a half used to be shown separately on the paycheck. So it should be. Those of you all who are still getting jobs, you can let me, who are still in corporate jobs, you can let me know if that's true or not. All right. But that's what it says. Anybody whose standards are under the Fair Labor Standards Act, which is the half in time and a half act, that is the one where that would consider you to get up to $12,500, and you would not pay taxes on that, which is great, because you all shouldn't be paying taxes on the money anyway.